Welcome back to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve chapter 3 triangle practice set 3.2. So first question is given. In each of the example given below, a pair of triangles is shown. Equal parts of triangle in each pair are marked with the same sign. Observe the figure and state the test by which the triangle in each pair are congruent. So first diagram is given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So it is given that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, AB segment AB is also congruent to PQ. AC is congruent to PR. BC is congruent to QR. So here you can see there is no angle mentioned. So this is what S test means side and side test. I hope you understood. Now next diagram given here, you can see XYZ triangle and LMN triangle is given. It is also given that triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle LMN. So here you can see XY is congruent to LM and YZ is congruent to MN. So in between this there is one angle given. Okay, here also angle Y and angle M is given. So this is what SAS. So this is what S side angle side test. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we'll move to third figure. Now diagram number 3 is given. PQR triangle is congruent to STU. Here you can see segment PR is congruent to SU. Okay, it is given. So here also you can see there is a angle. Two angles are there, P and R, and here S and U. Okay, so here we can write as angle side angle. This is what angle side angle test. Okay, now next figure is given. So next diagram is given. You can see two right angles are given, right angle triangles are given. So here you can see triangle LMN and here triangle PTR. Okay, so here LM is congruent to TP and LN is congruent to PR. As you know that every right angle triangle have hypotenuse side. This is this one. Okay, the opposite side, the big opposite side, that is called hypocyte test. This is called what? Hypocyte test. Okay, so here you can see that this is congruent to this side, this side is congruent to this side, and there is a angle that is 90 degree. I hope you understood. Now we are going to solve question number 2. Now question number 2 of practice set 3.2. Observe the information shown in the pair of triangle given below. State the test by which the two triangles are congruent. Write the remaining congruent part of the triangle. So we are having two figure here. First I will write what is the given condition given for the this triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR. Okay, it is given segment BC is congruent to segment QR, congruent to BC is congruent to QR. Okay, it is also given here angle ACB is also congruent to angle PQR. Okay, ACB is also congruent to PQR. Next, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. I hope you are understanding. Now here angle ACB is congruent to ARQ will come. ARQ. Okay. Now again angle BAC is congruent to angle QPR. BAC is congruent to QPR. See, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR because of ASA test, and angle BAC is congruent to angle QPR because of corresponding angle. The reason will come corresponding angle. Okay, of congruent triangle. Now here, as you can see, segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. Segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. Segment AC is congruent to PR. Okay, so we have proved whatever condition we have to. Okay, remaining was the given condition, as you can see in your textbook. So I hope you understood what is first diagram of question number 2. Now you are going to solve second diagram. Now this is the second diagram. So here you can see what is given triangle. There are two triangles here, P, T, Q and S, T, R. Two triangles are given. So we will write whatever the given condition is given, we will write. In triangle PTQ and triangle STR, so given condition is what? Segment PT is congruent to segment ST. Okay, and angle PTQ is congruent to STR. Angle PTQ is congruent to STR. Vertically opposite angle. Okay, now next is segment TQ is congruent to segment TR. Okay, this is also given. Triangle PTQ is congruent to triangle STR. Okay, PTQ is congruent to STR. Now what is given? This is because of SAS test. Okay, now angle TPQ is TPQ is congruent to TSR. TSR. Okay. Now here again angle TQP is congruent to TRS. TQP is congruent to TRS. Segment PQ is congruent to segment SR because of corresponding angles of congruent angle. Okay, so we have proved whatever the given condition we got from this two triangles. So I hope you understood. It is what SAS test, and all angles and all sides are congruent to each other. Now we are going to solve question number 3 of practice set 3.2. Now question number 3 is given. From the information shown in the figure, state the test assuring the congruence of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Write the remaining congruent part of the triangle. So we have to write the remaining parts of congruent triangle. So two triangles we are having, okay, with right angle, as you can see, ABC and PQR. So here what is given? AB is congruent to PQ and segment AC is congruent to PR. Okay, angle B and angle Q is given. So first we will write whatever the condition, given condition. We'll start with solution. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by, as you can see, this is right angle triangle, so hyposide test. Here what we are having? Hyposide test. So remaining congruent part of triangles we have to show. So we have to show what? Remaining congruent part of triangle. Okay, now angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR. Angle ABC is congruent to PQR. Again, angle BAC is congruent to QPR. BAC is congruent to QPR. Again, what is given? Angle ACB is congruent to ACB is congruent to PRQ. Angle PRQ. Okay. Now sides of side BC. This is side BC and this is side QR is congruent. Side QR congruent because of corresponding side of congruent angle. I hope you understood. I hope you understood question number 3. Now we are going to solve question number 4 of practice set 3.2. Now question number 4 is given. As shown in the following figure, in triangle LMN and triangle PMN, LM is congruent to PN and LN is congruent to PM and LN is congruent to PM. Okay, so what is given here? LM is congruent to segment PM and LM is congruent to segment PN. Okay, so write the tests which assure the congruence of two triangles and write their remaining congruent parts. So we'll start with solution. Now here what is given? In triangle LMN and triangle PMN, segment LN is congruent to segment PM. Okay, segment PM. Again, segment LM is congruent to PN. Segment LM is congruent to segment PN. So these all are given condition. These all are given condition. Now we have to write segment MN is congruent to segment MN of common side. It's a common side. Now again, triangle LMN is congruent to PMN, congruent to triangle PMN by SSS test. Okay. Now next step is, therefore angle LMN is congruent to angle PMN. Okay, angle also congruent. Now next is what? Again MLN is congruent to MPN. Okay, now again angle LNM is congruent to PNM, angle PNM. Okay, condition is corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Okay, corresponding angle of congruent triangle. So we have solved question number 4. Now we are going to solve question number 5 of practice set 3.2. So please follow the steps. It is very easy. Once you understand all tests, you can easily solve each and every question. Now question number 5 is given. In figure 3.24, segment AB is congruent to segment AB is congruent to segment BC or CB, and segment AD is congruent to CD. Prove that triangle ABD is also congruent to CBD. Now we have to prove this both angles are congruent. So we'll start with given condition. So in triangle ABC and triangle CBD, segment AB is congruent to segment CB. Okay, it is a given condition. Now again the segment AD is also congruent to CD. Now again segment BD is congruent to segment BD because of common side. Okay, now therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD by SSS test. Okay, so it was very easy because as you can see all segments are congruent to each other. So we have proved what? Triangle also congruent to each other and we got SSS test. Now question number 6 of practice set 3.2. In figure 3.25, angle P is congruent to angle R. Segment PQ is congruent to segment RQ. So prove that triangle PQT is congruent to triangle RQS. So we'll start with solution. Given condition is what? In triangle PQT and triangle RQS, angle P is congruent to angle R. It is given. Okay. Now segment PQ is congruent to segment RQ. This is also given. Now angle PQT is congruent to angle RQS because of common angle. PQT is congruent to RQS. Next is what? Triangle PQT is congruent to triangle RQS by ASA test. Okay, we have finished practice set 3.2. I hope you understood each and every step. So follow the test. If once you understood the all steps, it is very easy. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.